A vise is a mechanical apparatus used to secure an object to allow work to be performed on it. Vises have two parallel jaws, one fixed and the other movable, threaded in and out by a screw and lever. A vise allows workpieces to be quickly and easily clamped in a vertical plane for the vise pictured. Others may hold items horizontally. Some vises are quite small and portable, ideal for tasks such as sawing, drilling and filing. Simple mechanical operations, cutting, welding and grinding, are involved in this fabrication.